Did you recently discover that your spouse or partner is having an affair? Are you feeling terrible, having trouble sleeping, having constant ruminative thoughts? Some people refer to this as post-infidelity stress disorder. My name's Irene Hurford. I'm the clinical director at One Mind, and I'm a psychiatrist. I'm here to talk about this new name we've been giving an old experience, which is post-infidelity stress disorder. I want to be clear that Post-Infidelity Stress Disorder, PISD, is not an actual diagnosis. It's just a name that people have been giving the experience of distress around discovering a partner's infidelity and tying it to another condition that is a disorder called post-traumatic stress disorder. In post-traumatic stress disorder, somebody's gone through a traumatic event and they develop a series of symptoms in different categories. They might have trouble sleeping. They might have intrusive thoughts or flashbacks of the trauma. They might experience nightmares. They might have difficulty being in a place that reminds them of the traumatic experience. They might find themselves exploding with anger or feeling really emotionally numb. Similarly, when someone discovers that somebody that they love has been unfaithful, it can be traumatic to have that experience, and they might start to feel very similarly to somebody with PTSD. So sometimes people discover they can't sleep anymore. They're waking up with nightmares. They keep reliving the moment that they discovered their partner was unfaithful, or they're very suspicious of their partner's behaviors and they're having difficulty not ruminating about memories of past events. It's especially difficult for somebody who already experiences problems with relationship trust to discover that their partner's been unfaithful. If you or somebody that you love is going through something similar, there's a lot of resources out there. So first and foremost are just family and friends. That alone and some time can be enough for many people to get over these symptoms. Other people find that they really want to find a community of others who are going through something similar. Those communities exist both in person and online. And sometimes people need more support. So finding a good couples therapist to help you and your partner through this experience of infidelity can be incredibly helpful. And finding your own therapist can also be incredibly meaningful in terms of learning how to process the difficult emotions and thoughts that accompany an experience of being betrayed. So if you or somebody that you love is going through this kind of a difficult experience, I'd urge you to seek out resources and have faith that time and a little bit of support can go a long way towards healing.